Hello everyone, I am Aarti from the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to take a topic, testing of hypothesis. So first of all we should know what is population, what is sample size before knowing the hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Population is nothing but group of data or group of collection of information. We can take anything. For example, we can take the population of the world, population of the India. That is nothing but population. In population, we are having two types. One is finite, another one is infinite. Coming to the sample, from the population, we can take group of people. That is nothing but sample. In that sample, we are having small sample and large sample. Sample size is nothing but count of sample. This is sample size. So we have completed what is population, what is sample size. Now we are going to move into hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but decision of the future thing. We can make decision based on the data. Based on the data, we can assume we may get the profit. We may arrive the average profit. We may get the regarding equivalence values. So likewise, we may assume the decision of the data. So alternative hypothesis is nothing but whatever we are assuming for the hypothesis, further we have to take alternative one. Suppose if we are taking a positive way means we have to take here negative way. If we are taking here equal means here we have to take in an unequal way. So this is hypothesis and null hypothesis. Next we have to move for types of test. So in type of test we are having 5 types. That is we are having large sample and small sample. So large sample in the sense we have to get 30 and above as the sample size. So in this we are having Z test. Like the small sample here we should have less than or equal to 29. So 29 and below, that is comes under small sample. For this we are having T test, then S test, then spice test. So in this series we are going to see Z test. Yes, we are going to see one problem under Z test. A sample of 900 members. We have to underline this number 900 is found to have a mean 3.5 centimeter. Can it reasonably regarded as a simple sample from the large population whose mean is 3.5. Today we are going to see Z test. Under this we are going to have one problem. A sample of 900 members is found to have a mean 3.5 centimeter. Can it reasonably regarded as a simple sample from the large population whose mean is 3.38 and the standard deviation is 2.4 centimeter. First of all, we should understand the question. The question is the either comes under Z test or T test. So we have to look into this number. This is 900. This is more than 30. So this is large sample. For this large sample, we are having some certain values. We should know what is mu, what is x bar, what is standard deviation. So mu value is population mean 3.38. That is nothing but here mu value. Next we should know standard deviation, that is 2.4. Next we should know what is n. N is 900, that is greater than 30, large sample. Then we should know x bar. X bar is sample mean, that is 3.5 centimeter. Then after this we are having 5 steps to complete this problem. First one, we have to fix what is H0, what is H1, what is alpha, what is the test statistics. Then we have to give the conclusion for this problem. So we are going to assume mu is equal to 3.38. As I said, we have to fix one alternative hypothesis, that is nothing but H1. Mu is not equal to 3.38. Then this problem comes under two-tailed. Why I am saying this is two-tailed means in this question we are having the word regarding. So if you are having regarding equal means we have to understand that as a two-tailed. If you are having less than, greater than means we have to understand that as a single tail. So then we have to fix what is our LOS. So in this problem it doesn't give LOS. So default value, alpha is 5%. So your table value is for 5% is 1.96. Next we have to move for test statistics. This is the formula. Z equal to x bar minus mu by sigma by root 10. So we are having all those values here. We can apply here. We are getting here 1.5. So totally we are having here two values. One is test statistic, another one is table value. So we have to compare these two things. So always we should know table value. Calculated value is always less than table value. If this less than means we can write there accepted, H0 is accepted, otherwise we have to write here H0 is rejected. So for this problem we are writing here Z value is 1.5, alpha value is 1.96. Where we are comparing means we are getting here less than symbol. So we can write here H0 is accepted. Thank you.